intact, and of course, as you said, his legacy continues. But let's move on.
Yes, in fact, Fino Payments Bank is surging in trade. Now, we had a chance to speak to the management there as well. Capri Global Holdings bought shares of the company. Vivek is here with details and the key management takeaways. Vivek, it was a bit confusing. The management sort of didn't want to put their finger down on whether there's a strategic deal happening here or not. But you tell us, what did you make of the announcements?
Well, absolutely right. It seems to be a straightforward investment rather than a strategic partnership is what we actually understood. And what the management of Fino Payments Bank actually told us was that they are open to partnership with other banks as well. So that is one of the key takeaways. And when you're talking about the actual deal size itself, it's just over 1%, little 1.3%. Was what they actually picked up the stake. But interestingly, if you're looking at the price action today, yesterday the stock was at the upper circuit, and yesterday Capri Global bought around 13 lakh shares, and this was closer to the upper end of the upper circuit limit in yesterday's trading session, and today there's been significant follow-up buying. So clearly the market considers this to be a very strategic, this particular acquisition to be of a strategic nature. But looking at the key takeaways, what Fino Payments Bank told us, they keep looking for partnership. At this point of time, there is nothing specific. However, they did say that there are quite a few synergy benefits that they see from this particular acquisition, or with continuing talks as far as Capri Global is concerned. So that's the key takeaway. And what they are saying is that at this point of time, no competition with Capri Global. So that is one of the other key takeaways as far as this particular block deal was concerned in yesterday's trading session.
Vivek, thank you very much for that. Let's talk about Interglobe Aviation. The stock is higher in trade today. Sonia, yesterday or